Hello, this is the documentation I have from DJI. We have emails going back to January 31st. So, January 31st, I believe I ordered the drone on January 23rd, but the first email I have is the 31st. It shipped on the 15th. Here it is. There's the shipped notification. And I returned it on the 24th using their supplied shipping label because I simply could not make it function with my phone. Then I received it back on the 4th. Actually, I received it back and then worked with them again on the 4th. Or, shall we put it this way? They responded that they could not find a problem with the drone. And that led me to believe that it was my phone. So that's this email right here. They replied back, here's my case number. We report unable to link with the aircraft's remote controller. That's true. I was not. Update remote controller firmware. I think I did that. Yes. Update. And I was not able to detect the aircraft on the computer. That's correct. After troubleshooting, the battery came hot and would not allow to charge it. And that's correct. It did not do. It wasn't going to charge after that. They were unable to replicate my scenario. And they say the remote controller connected to the drone okay, and it flight tested okay. So evidently it works fine for them, but it doesn't work for me. So I sent them a note saying, well, we still don't know what the problem is. But now that I know it works for them, great. So I got it back. Let's see here. Right around the 5th of March, I got it back and found some time to work with it. And was starting to get frustrated because I ended up buying a tablet, another phone, all to try to get this device to link up and work. But it just wasn't happening. Finally, I said, I'd like to return the drone. It just isn't working, and I feel I'm getting a runaround. And they now have said they're not going to allow me to return it. They'll just allow me to ship it back for repair. So I did talk with them on chat, and I said I'm getting frustrated with this situation, so I'd like to return the drone because I just don't feel I should have to put this much time into it. They said, well, we can still do that. Well, that didn't. It seems to have gone to a different department, and they simply just want to repair it. So that's my documentation. I'm going to stop this part and then try to make the drone work. All right, here's my drone and its nice little package. I'm going to try to hook it up to my computer here. And this is the phone I bought, brand new. Well, this is a new phone I bought specifically to work with this drone because it appears my phone, the port on the this little port right here may not work well enough to work with the drone, and that is the point of my whole video here. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a I got the battery in it. So I'm not sure what it's supposed to do at this point. Okay, I'm not getting it. No. Well, I've signed in, and I keep unplugging and plugging, but you know, I just don't see it doing anything. You know, the drone has lights on. I'm just not sure what it's supposed to do at this point. Okay, well, I've tried that, so I'm going to move on to the remote. So here's the remote, and I'll try to put the, let's see, I think you go like this. Well, looks like it's charged and everything. They give you this special little cable. Now I've hooked the drone and the remote here up to a laptop and updated these drivers. Why it won't connect again, I'm not sure. But I want everybody to know it has been done. All right. We have a phone. We have a remote. We have the DJI Fly app. Skip that. All right. So I'm turning on the drone. And then I'm hitting connect to aircraft. And then I go to camera view. And this is typically what I get is not connected and this symbol down here, connect aircraft and try again. This is where I get stuck. So turn this on, make sure it seems like it's on. I'll take the so we've got a nice looking drone there. I keep getting this non-connected. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. It says aircraft, connect aircraft and try again. It's kind of frustrating because I've been here so many times and I just haven't gotten this unit to talk to this unit. So, any help in figuring out what I'm doing wrong? So I paid $600 for the remote, the Mavic Mini, another $100 for a phone, another $150 for a tablet that I thought would work. I don't like the idea of using my cell phone because I get calls in the middle of what I'm doing. That's inconvenient for me, so I thought a separate phone. This phone does not have a SIM card in it. It's just a phone. It can't make calls, but it can run the software. It's compatible with this remote and that drone. These batteries packs, this is nice. It's a nice setup. I think the flaw in their system is they rely on your phone to do most of the human interface connection. And I would rather have them supply the screen than go through all the trouble I've gone through. Okay, I'll keep trying here. Okay,